Hey everybody, it's Mark Evernden, Ever Real Estate, Century 21 Bamber. Here we are, inner city, Currie Barracks, one of the most desirable areas on the west side. You're 15 minutes to downtown, you're 45 minutes to the Rocky Mountains. We're located at 29 Mary Dover Drive in Currie Barracks. What an amazing property, offering just over 4,000 square feet of living quarters, double attached garage, south-facing backyard, unbelievable property with 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. So let's go start our tour. As you enter the home, you've got this amazing foyer. Lots of room when all the guests and friends arrive, but then you get into the open concept. Triple-sided fireplace, so your dining set in the middle here, living room and kitchen, really set up nicely. You have a beautiful office, and then off the back there you have a fantastic entrance from your garage with lockers for the kids' stuff and all your knickknacks when you're coming in and bringing in your groceries when you're shopping. As you enter the upper level, what an amazing design. You have 4 bedrooms upstairs here, 3 full bathrooms, laundry facility, bonus room. They've actually turned one of the bedrooms into a gym, so it depends on how you want to use it, but it is a fantastic layout. Great bonus room for the kids or entertaining family that come over, teenagers. It works perfectly for however you want to use it. And all these rooms and living spaces on the opposite side of the house from your primary. You got a fantastic primary, huge walk-in closet, beautiful sleeping area, again, an abundance of natural light with all the windows, but you also have this sitting room off to the side here off your primary, whether it's you turn it into a nursery if you need be when the newborn's here, or a reading room, whatever you want to use it for. As you enter the lower level, it is set up as an open concept, entertaining area, movie room, TV room, really well laid out with your additional bedroom and bathroom. But he also has a workshop with a window in it. So it all depends on how you want to use it. It could be storage. You could turn it into a workout room, whatever you're looking for. But it is a fantastic basement layout. What an amazing south-facing backyard. Currie Barracks is really kind of a tight area, inner city, but this is fantastic. You're south-facing, little yard, south-facing, and an attached garage. And the attached garage also is fully epoxied, so it's really nicely finished up. Beautiful deck, composite decking, so again, low maintenance. You have a fantastic yard for the kids to play and enjoy. You're also southeast facing, so you're getting lots of light, especially in the summertime. So you truly need to see this property. Call me directly at 403-829-3776. You won't be disappointed, and I do look forward to your call.